look like somebody's mama right now, but not your mama. Somebody's mama or grandmama right now, but it's okay. Let me take my glasses off, cause child, I look very rough. This acne is doing me, and it don't do me. It's really doing me right now, and I ain't really feeling that. What it is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and today we are back with another YouTube video. So today we're going to be doing a little spa day, I guess, or maybe just some skincare or whatever. So tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I'm just going to be doing a little, Valentine's Day prep with you guys. If y'all can see, my skin is going through it. I have middle school acne on my forehead right now. It never gave. I don't remember the last time that I had something like this going on my face, and it's really bothering me. Like, it's really bothering me. So we're going to try to, ease some of that off and, get ourselves together. So I'm just going to take you along with me with that, and I'm just going to talk to you all as we go. First, I'm going to be washing my face with my spin brush. If we're going to protect the set, you got to protect the set. So I have this head wrap thing. Got my edges and stuff, my hair, the puffy on the sides, whatever. It gave Granny, but don't do me, okay? So first I'm gonna wet my rag with water. And guys, usually I use hair soap to wash my face. But today I did not do that because I ran out. What I will be using is my peppermint soap, my spin brush, and wet it. Let me tell you what's happening. Because I'm stressed out right now, I'm not gonna lie. So tomorrow's supposed to be going out, so you guys should know that by now. So since I'm going out, you would think, right? You would think I made reservations and things like that. We did not come to an agreement. So I was forced to be the one to pick the restaurant this time. I don't have a problem with it. It's just not as easy because due to COVID, not a lot of stuff is open right now. And it's but so many restaurants that are dining in. But since today is, tomorrow or whatever, is Valentine's Day, they're going to open dining in so people can, celebrate the little holiday with their little food thing, or husband or wife, or whatever the case may be. So, I picked a restaurant called Philippe's. It's Philippe's. It's like an Asian restaurant. And honestly, at that point, I didn't really care if you went. Didn't care. I'm gonna start my steamer up. This is my face steamer. I got it for Christmas, and it's gonna help me on my little skincare journey or whatever. Yeah, as I was saying, I picked that restaurant, and I'm thinking the whole time I didn't think to see if they were doing reservation only. I wasn't thinking to make a reservation. I was thinking that we were just gonna walk in. If you hear that sound, it is it's that. So I'm thinking the whole time that we're going to just walk in, but something should have told me a long time ago to make reservations, just in case, because it is Valentine's Day. A lot of people are gonna want to go out since COVID. A lot of people haven't been going out, so they probably just want to go out for Valentine's Day or whatever. Today, something told me to call the restaurant or look online. So I looked online and it says reservation, but I still wanted to call to make sure if I had to make a reservation or not. So I called, I'm like, oh, how are you? Blah blah blah. Are you guys doing walk-ins, or are you guys only doing reservations? They're like, oh, we're doing walk-ins right now. I was like, okay, what about tomorrow? She said, no, tomorrow we're only doing reservations. So I'm like, wait, I'm like, okay, do you have like any time around 4:30 available? Because I know me. I know I'm not gonna wake up till like 10 o'clock, and then if I do wake up at 10 o'clock, I'm not going to start getting ready till like 12. So I don't even want to stress myself out. I'm gonna give myself a little what's it called? A little bit of time to get myself together. So I said 4:30. That's the perfect time in my opinion. So she tells me, oh, I'm sorry, we're booked. We're all booked up for tomorrow for Valentine's Day and on Monday the 15th. So I'm like, okay, so I saved myself from some embarrassment, but like it's still the day before Valentine's Day, so like what am I to do? And now I'm trying to find other places where I can go, or we can go to, you know, go out to eat or whatever, because I do want to go out. I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off to find a restaurant. So hopefully I found one by tonight. We have to find something we both agree on. So yeah. So now I'm gonna steam my face while using my face scrubber. This is gonna help me like extract the whiteheads from my nose and my skin. But yeah, so like now I'm trying to figure out where we to go, like where we gonna go and stuff like that. Hopefully I figure it out by tonight, so that I don't have to stress myself out by the morning. I'm just gonna wipe this off on my towel. It's my towel, y'all. I'm not gonna use the same towel tonight. I'm not dirty. So like yeah. That's what I'm currently going through. But I am looking forward to tomorrow. I mean, I'm not gonna act like I haven't been out since COVID or whatever. I've been outside. I'm not gonna lie. I was outside. Ain't no doubt about that. You can continue to steam your face. I'm not doing that. I'm not really into doing that. Lastly, we're going to do a face mask. So I feel like after doing this, people usually use a face steamer and start putting product in your skin. But when I think of a face steamer, I think about sweat coming out my face. I don't know if this is accurate, but what I'm finna go do is go wash my face again. I don't even use rags on my face. I only do this for you guys. But I'm about to go wash my face with my hands again. And then I'm gonna dry it, and then I'm gonna come back. So now that we washed my face, we steamed, exfoliated, we did all that good stuff. My skin is very tight. We feel going right now, okay? Today we'll be using this Garnier Skin Active Mask. Okay, woo! It burst through. Y'all, that scared me. So we have to let the liquid now drain into the top part of the mask. This is fun, or whatever, I guess. Also gonna be using my jade roller to help massage that good mask into my skin. My skin is very tight and dry, so I decided to use, you know, a very hydrating mask. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes. I'm gonna put a 15-minute timer on my phone, and also I'm gonna help work the serum that's in this onto my face. Okay, so it's been over 15 minutes. I changed into this robe because that robe was giving auntie vibes. It was only for the video, guys, and yeah, this is my regular roll. I had to take a couple thumbnails, so I took my hair down, whatever. So I'm gonna take this off now. And I read the back of it, and he said it had perfume in it, or whatever. Hopefully that perfume doesn't do nothing to your girl. Don't got time. So we're gonna use my J roller again and massage the rest of that into our skin. Skin is glowing. Guys, make sure like whatever you're doing to your face, you get to that neck, because your neck is the first place that shows aging. So make sure you take care of your neck. Even though black don't crack, black don't crack, but still take care of your skin. That's that. So if you're seeing this, you made it to the end of my video. So thank you guys for watching. This was a short little get ready with me part 1. And thank you for watching my YouTube video. See you in the next video. Bye.